welcome to my video. So this video is actually going to be a quick tutorial, whatever you want to call it, about how I got this Peakaboo front highlighted bang. I have a wig that already has full highlights all the way through. Again, I have that video as well in my playlist, so feel free to go check that out, because as you know, with the natural hair journey, it is tedious to just try to keep up with your hair and keep those natural hair options going. And so one of my ways of just de-stressing that thought process is to just slap on a wig, let my hair be braided underneath, you know, with my oils and creams and things like that, and still, you know, make it a presentable day. Without further ado, thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. is my final look. I decided to put roller rods in my wig just to see how it would look because I truly didn't have the patience, but you guys know I love curls. So this is what it looked like. It gave me a lot of volume, which is what I expected, but they actually look really, really good. So if you are looking for this type of style, something where you want to try color, but you're not really too sure, try it. Definitely don't forget to like and also subscribe for more content. But until next time, beauties, love you. Enjoy this content again, and until next time.